Hello once again, everyone. It's been a okay week this week. Begin into doing work a lot more. Going working every day, doing FYP stuff, game stuff, and advanced modeling in engine stuff all week. Mainly focused on advanced modeling in engine this week, and I'm gonna try and focus a lot more next week. Try and get the improvements done in doing my rework texturing stuff, which I feel like it's gonna take me a while to do, but won't be too terrible, you know. I've textured the whole environment before, so I know what I'm doing. It's just doing the texturing and wrapping at the same time is a little tricky and a little fiddly, making sure it all sort of works together, make sure it looks decent compared to last time, because last time I was fairly happy with it, but it was a lot darker and stuff, and the shadows weren't working correctly, so I'm sort of trying to fix that, make the textures more detailed and stuff like that. So that's sort of what I'm working on for that. And then now what to do, I have to I'll re-bring in some normal maps and redo some normal maps as well to make it all work, because the way I'm doing texturing this time is the tiling texture technique, so I've got more textures on one sheet sort of thing. But it shouldn't be too difficult. I'll have to go into uni for that, because the thing I'm using for texturing this time is I'm actually using my computer, because I've got Photoshop CS2, which is like the 10-year-old one, instead of the CS6 which we use on the uni computers, which is a lot better, a lot nicer. It's got a lot more tools to it, including the XNormal thing that we use to get textures to get normal maps and stuff. But I was planning, and I'm still going to try and do higher poly detailed on the shells to make them look a bit nicer, because I've just sort of changed how the shells are working now. I think they look a lot better now, a lot more fuller anyway, because of what I've added to it, which is a good thing to me, anyway, personally, because last time I was looking at them, it's like, they look okay, but they still look quite right. It's too thin, so I'll thicken them up a bit, and then I'll take them into ZBrush, sculpt some wrinkles on them, and that'll get me a normal one. I mean, probably do that to the flag as well. I mean, I don't have any other high poly models planned for it. But yeah, and I think I've made the textures look a lot nicer on several objects. I tweeted a picture on Friday when I was working on it. But yeah, and for the FYP stuff I've been working on, there's been the methodology stuff, so I've been finding out other reports that have done a similar thing to me. I've not read through them all, but I've sort of downloaded them all. I'm sort of sitting on the back burner with that. I bought yesterday handle trying to teach myself never into Knight's engine and the scripting for that, so I sort of did that. Got some more tutorials which I can blast through and figure it out, and then I know where I can get all the resources, and I can search online in case I get stuck trying to make my own code work to build my own quest system and stuff in that. But I should be able to do the location stuff anyway. It'll just be scripting the quest and conversations, which will take a while. But yeah, I learned that yesterday, and it's not too difficult. I mean, I'll probably go slower than other people, but you know, I think I should be able to manage it-ish. And scripting's definitely not something that I enjoy doing. It's pretty difficult to understand most of the time. I sort of understand most of what we did in tutorials is making my own code that I'm going to suck at. It's like I can figure out what this code does that this guy's shown and done, but doing my own be a little trickier, I think. I mean, like, because it's just, I'm not good at doing it. But, you know, I'm more into making narrative scripts and stuff, so should be able to plot all that out. Today I think I'm gonna have an easy-ish day, go through the FYP stuff that I've got to send my FYP to, make sure that's all nice and clean, and then send that to him, and then do my submission for GradX, get that sorted out, and then I think I'm gonna have a break and try and finish Bantai-Koozie, because I've had it installed and I've not played it for the last week, so I want to sort of finish that and then maybe do some Minecraft stuff as well. It'd be good, okay, to play some Minecraft or maybe Baldur's Gate, I don't know, something like that. But yeah, just having the easiest day. What else do I have to talk about? Did they add more the game stuff? Yeah, they could add we did the not proposals, the appraisals on Thursday, which was a lot of fun time. Me just talking to my juniors, of which I had the most. I did 6 in the end. Appraisals that day. Just going, yeah, you've done this work, you've done a good job, or you've got to do this sort of thing, and yeah, we're gonna be moving on. And it's difficult because now with the point of where we are at, design don't have much to do. We sort of got the individuals of designers who designed their puzzles and stuff. I'm gonna have them sort of populate said levels. Always like waiting on models to be built on and all that started on the levels to be finished, and then we can go into testing. Just design in general, we've done our bit last semester mostly. I mean, we've had some changes and cuts recently to make us be able to actually get a physical playing game. I think we can do it if we just knuckle down and stuff, but yeah, you know, it's gonna be difficult to get all the models. It's just time consuming, and hopefully the guys start working outside the Thursday hours, because if we're just working on the Thursday, it will not get done. So yeah, I don't know whether I can help in any way. I mean, after I finish doing that, my head mod, I might go and say, yeah, I'll try and do some modelling, maybe, because I can do that. Give them a helping hand to making some models, maybe try and make my asset, my collectible asset list. I think I could be able to do that and just be like, get the concept artist guy to do the texture for one of them, or a few of them maybe. But yeah, anything else big that has happened this week? Not really. That's about it, guys. So I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you guys next time for another video game, or next week for another vlog. Peace out, Girl Scouts.